You can see that now the second step was 290-degree bends. Now we can see that the length of the bridge is done. Now we need to decide the height of the bridge. The height of the bridge would be the junction of the middle and the cervical third, this point. So we will mark 2 points over here now. Now you can see those 2 points over here. Now this is our third step, the third bend what we will be doing. First was straightening, second was U-loop. Now this is third, holding the points at one end. Now we need to do it with the universal plier like this. Why universal? Because we need a beak, a thin beak. The thinnest would be the best, because this we are making the arrowheads. Now we need to engage